Class 5 Social Studies, lesson number 16, Human Rights, page number 130. There are many devoted Pakistanis who are working for the welfare of the needy. Among them is Abdul Sattar Eidi Sahab, who lived all his life for the poor. He has never disappointed his nation. He has always been there when he was needed. His foundation had made homes for homeless children and adults. His ambulance service is one of the largest voluntary services. His son Faisal Eidi and wife Bilkis Eidi are active members of Eidi Foundation. To honor his work, he has been awarded with Raman Magsaysay Award. Dr. Akhtar Hamid set up Orangi pilot project to provide homes to those in need on a self-help basis, and he was awarded Raman Magsaysay Award and Sitara-e-Pakistan for his work. Ibn Abdurrahman, a human rights activist and editor-in-chief of Pakistan Times, he has been the director of Human Rights Commission of Pakistan. In recognition of his work, he has been awarded with Nuremberg International Award and Raman Magsaysay Award. The Citizens Foundation has set up schools to provide quality education for underprivileged children. Page 131. Seema Aziz started her retail business in 1985. She was one of the entrepreneurs who began this work. But in 1988, flood struck Punjab and 46 villages were flooded. At that hour, she realized that children are even deprived of the primary education. It was then she founded the CARE Foundation, and to honor her work, she has been awarded UK Woman of the Year. The Environmental Protection Agency keeps the environment clean in Pakistan. Shehri is a non-governmental organization which helps in conservation and human rights. Now, there are many examples around the world, many people and organizations which are keeping up and helping others as well. Size B, page 132, with pencil on books, and think about this, girls.